going on, everybody? How's YouTube doing? Anyway, I actually got an email from somebody that watched my first Shaven Heads video, and they wanted to know, they noticed that I was in a mechanic shop down here at my dad's, right? Well, they wanted to know if I had my own set of tools and what it was. I'm not going to get into what each tool is, because it could take forever. That's well beyond a 10-minute video. But I will show off, or show you, my toolboxes. I have two cabinets here. You can't see this one here, it sets lower than the camera's showing. But we'll kind of do that there. See there. Pretty much I keep my standard and metric wrenches separate in separate drawers. Move down to the ratchets. Pretty much a 1/4 inch drive I keep all in one drawer. Right there. Got a pliers drawer, all kinds of stuff, you know. Screw down even more here. Screwdrivers. And it just keeps going. There's some tool sets right there. Keep most of my sockets right here in the top. And it's a shop. Stuff gets dusty. You know that, right? So that'd be my, you know, I like keeping my shit all, you know, straightened out where it's easy to find stuff. You know, as you can tell. And there's the big red box over here. And it's just an abundance of stuff. Just everything. Pry bars. A couple more tool sets. Hammers. Chisels, punches, scrapers. Allens. There's all the Torx. Got a staple gun in that drawer. You know, I have quite the variety of hand tools, and I keep it all separated, you know. I've even got wrenches that I don't care about. Cheaper sets that, if you need to cut one, because you need that big a wrench, but you only got this much space to put it in, you need to cut one, I even got those. Got a bend one. I've got 3 or 4 sets of just cheap junk that I don't care if they get bent, cut, whatever. But anyway, those be my toolboxes. And they're about head level. My black box, it's sitting here at about, I'd say, chest level. See? At the top. Ratchets. Yep. Good old. Yep. What you do is you just take this here, put it in the floors of your drawers, the bottom of your drawers, and them wrenches, you know, as long as your box is stationary, the wrenches will stay right where you put them, see? What I like to do is I trust people down here, so they stay out of my stuff. If you shut the top lid, all the drawers stay shut. You can't open them. What I do, I just open them just a little bit. Open it just a little bit. Go ahead and open the drawers. Shut the top and shut the drawers. That way you don't have to have the top open. You can see. But anyway, just a small look into some of my tools. Do some other looking here later. But anyway, I just wanted to answer that email in a video. Get something posted on my channel. I did a Shaven Heads video yesterday about the PlayStation Home. I guess I got to do a game review over Need for Speed Undercover, and I'm going to do one on the PlayStation Home, so look for that coming up soon. Let's see. That's pretty much it. Just wanted to show off some of my tools. So, answered your email. Thanks for checking it out. Hey, so I'll catch you guys later, right?